Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be potting on Begonias Show Angels mix, half hardy annual. These have been raw from seed. Unfortunately, I did let the tray dry out once, otherwise there would be a lot more in here, but I've still got probably 10 viable plants. There's little ones there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, yeah, just 10. I'm going to be putting on these here, these 3. So let's get cracking. First of all, I need to get this potting mix. I've got perlite and this compost. I'm going to be probably using 50-50. So let's get cracking first. Sort the camera out, sorry about this. Right, yeah. First of all, let's get the compost, the mixture mixed up. So, handful of this stuff. This just helps you transition, I find. If you put them straight on into compost, I've lost them before, so that's why I'm using this mix here. Looks about right. So yeah, all you need to do then is fill your plant pot up, like so, and then what we need to do with these is prick these out. So use anything, knife, as long as you can just get underneath them, get as much of the root out as you can. As you can see there, lovely little plant, some nice roots with it. All I'm going to do then is get there, take a bit out. You don't want to bury it too deep. Bit of compost around it, like so. Yep, give it a water. Make sure it's well watered in. Like so. Once you've watered it, these are going to be going back into my propagator and grown on. So basically that's how to pot on the Begonia Show Angels. And if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Have a good day, folks. Thank you very much. Bye.